Good morning, y'all. It's Kirby here with KJF-TravelAdventures, and we're at Epcot today for the new annual Passholder preview of the new ride, Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. So let's go. All right, y'all. It's our time. Let's go get in line.
Our two galaxies are actually moving closer to each other. In just 4 matches, Terrans and Xandarians forever connected. Here we have our beautiful planet Xandar is known for many things, but perhaps most renowned for our technological advances. Xandar offers a variety of entertainment that reflects our diverse population. Our famous Galaxarians, where Xandarians go to learn about our history and culture, inspired the Galaxarian we brought here, the wonders of Xandar and Epcot. Education is paramount to all Xandar.
After Centurion comes the rank of Millenniums. This is Millennium Ray arriving. A skilled aeronaut who recently rockets to destroy them.
Thanks to Fox for setting the record straight for our viewers.
You are welcome.
What courage, Peter.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayan, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that can fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Okay, people, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Here we go.
See for experience for yourself. What's happening?
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mark. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now!
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Novacore?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
Not where. When.
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, you're Novacore need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I've reprogramed the shuttles to follow him through the jump point.
Wait,
what?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
What?
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. This plane is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up.
Okay, they're headed for the subway. This plane is never gonna run out yet. Okay, I walked on to your vehicle. Let me know behind you. Help me. You must be not stop this unbelievable right now. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existence. What have we done? I'm going to rock. Jax, it's an honor to have around with us. I see. It was neighbors. Well, then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. The way that cake toast.
There's no food over by Guardians of the Galaxy, no like special themed food, and there was no, the gift shop wasn't open, but we're at Epcot and we need to eat something, obviously, so let's head to Germany to try their new pretzel bread pudding. Let's go. Alright, so we're all done Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. It was awesome. It is definitely a roller coaster. It's like what Space Mountain should have been. It was so cool. And it has a reverse launch. So normal roller coasters where you start and they launch you, you are launching, but you are facing backwards. So it's intense. It's about 2.5 minutes long of just nonstop. The car spins, but not like freely on an axis. It rotates with the track to sort of give you the views of what you're supposed to be looking at, but absolutely awesome. It is going to open with the boarding groups like Rise of the Resistance and Remy opened with. If you need info on how to join the boarding groups, my Rise of the Resistance Galaxy's Edge video talks about joining a boarding group. The process will be the same for this ride. Two things, for like disability access, the queue is fully accessible. If you don't like small spaces, the queue is very good. It's a big open air like queue, but the first pre-show, or the only pre-show, is like one of those big rooms where they cram you all in together, and you're all smushed, and then it funnels out into a very tiny hallway. So if you aren't a fan of tight spaces and lots of people, just beware of that. It is after the merge point if you had a disability pass, so it's beyond that where you wouldn't skip that with a disability pass, so just keep that in mind. But the ride, totally worth it. I can't wait to go again when it officially opens. So I'm Kirby from KJF Travel Adventures. Thanks for following along. We'll see you next time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified when all of our new videos drop. Bye.